In a world where warmth ruled, a curious mind dared to dream of cold. What if we could preserve the freshness of life? They pondered. With a spark of innovation, they crafted a box that whispered winter's breath. It's impossible, skeptics scoffed, but the inventor persisted. One day a farmer exclaimed, "My harvest stays fresh," and a chef marveled, "Flavors remain true." The invention transformed lives, proving that dreams can defy the sun's reign. Innovation is the key to change, the inventor declared, inspiring others to chase their own frosty dreams.